So guys, here it is. This is the highlight of the day. Look at this bad boy here. Look how juicy it is. Look at this. You got the little decorations around it. Look at this. And it has such a beautiful color. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. I'm going around in a circle so you can see from all angles. Nicely decorated. And it's a beautiful color. See that? Look at this. Gorgeous, right? So let me show y'all what we got. Next to that, we're going to have the curry goat. Look at this. And then over here, we got the shrimp. Such a beautiful color. Look at this. The coloring is what gets me. And for the veggie lovers, right here, this is string beans. Right here. That's all the string beans you can eat. And then we got the Brussels sprouts. For all who likes Brussels sprouts, it's good. It's good for you. Healthy. And then we got the mushrooms. This is mushrooms right here, just cooked up. Mom just did a good job with all of this. So, and over here now, look at this. This is the sweet potatoes, y'all, the yams, whatever y'all want to call this. But look at this coloring. It's the coloring for me. Look at this beauty. Let me zoom in. See, look. Oh. And then she got some, like, pineapples on it. Give it a nice flavoring, nice taste to it. Right? Look at this, y'all. And then next to it now, we got the gunga peas and rice. Look at this. And it's really shelly and nice. And then we got the ham. This is the ham right here. And for all those who knows Mom's mac and cheese, here it is. Here it is. And this right here, that's the crust. You know when you eat that, oh my God, to die for. But look at it, y'all. Look, guys. Look how beautiful this is. Isn't this gorgeous? Look at this. Look at this beauty. And then I'm going to go over here and just show y'all the drinks that we got. But again, let me just zoom in on that mac and cheese from this angle. Look at that. You know this is Mom's home cooking mac and cheese. For all y'all who know what it is, here it is. Don't come begging me none. Anyway. Over here, this is a special drink that she made. You know what this is? All right, I'm going to tell you. It's beets. Beets and carrot blended together. This is a healthy drink. Beets and carrot. Look at this coloring. It is so pretty and it's healthy. She added vanilla, a bit of nutmeg, and she added some condensed milk. For all who knows condensed milk, it's a sweetened milk. Tastes really, really good. So this is also another healthy drink. This right here. Then I'm going to top it off later with some Moscato. See that right there? This one here is really nice. It's beautiful. Really nice drink, y'all. So this is it for today, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you like it. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channels for more foodies, for all the foodies out here. But I just wanted to share this day with you, and I hope you all have a great and happy, wonderful, and safe Thanksgiving. Peace.